We are going to be heading out to go pick up a new toy. We have worked a deal to get this tracked unit, and now I've got to get it running, see if it's going to run. So this is going to be will it start, or how many times will we have to work on it to get it started. And then we'll get it home, and we're going to get some modifications done on this thing. And it's a cool new toy. We're going to get it set up so we can do recovery. For Utah, this is a lot of snow. After all that rain, yeah, just get batteries go up there, so you hop up there. We grabbed the first ladder. Oh, here, do this here real quick. You got to stand on this thing to. Well, another quick trip to O'Reilly's.
Toggle switch.
Toggle switch and a fuel pump. Oh, we didn't get fuel hose clamps.
It comes with it, doesn't it?
I don't know. Check. Let's see. Pretty sure it does. Well, we're still here.
I know the other kid did.
Got a heavy duty pump.
It's got snap clamps.
Oh, we'll deal with that. Oh. Hold on.
Snap one first?
Yep. Slide it on this first. You want?
Sure, yeah. There we go, I see the line.
Okay. This one goes on the negative.
Yep.
Okay. There's our negative right here. No, you just put positive and negative over here.
Give us a spot to put all our extra wire. Oh yeah, buddy! She runs! Almost. She sort of runs. Badly. Check her out. She's a beauty queen. At this moment, how do you feel?
Freaking awesome! It runs!
Oh yeah.
And you needed a funnel. You got this.
It's a security funnel.
Yeah, because he's pouring it right down in there, missing it.
The funnel is so that I can feel safe.
Oh yeah.
It's a security funnel. Oh heck yeah, dude.
Dude, I feel like a kid.
This thing is so sweet. That thing is sick.
All right, so we're back up at the house. Got to get the forklift running to get the lathe off the trailer, get the trailer cleaned up so we can go get this tracked unit and get it all hitched up. Is the plan. So in the truck bed of the truck bed in my truck,
okay.
Then there's a black bag. Is your cab light on, or does it go off automatic? Okay.
Off right now.
There's a, or no, it's in my tool bag, the big black bag. Just open up the back of my truck, and there's a tool bag. Inside there, there's a jump box.
Okay.
We grab the jump box, and then let's put it on the battery in the forklift. It's in, if you get up in the seat, you reach underneath the boom, there's a cover right there to open. I'm gonna go get the key.
me release air out of them right now to get the truck to go down more. So I don't have to be pumping for 50 minutes.
What's funny is that's going to melt underneath there and it's going to sit down too.
Yes.
We're getting it. It's just going. What we do is we hook this side here, and we hook the other side, and then we drag it back across to the side. And like that. Tegan, why don't you get down before you fall down?
Well, I want to make a little snowman.
So see how long it takes to melt it?
Dang, it's good metric. Yeah.
Oh, he got him. And you're in a vulnerable spot right now, Tegan.
Oh, I won't. But nice. I was just waiting for it.
See what this thing is. Oh, it is a 30,000 pound winch. Rated line pulls 30,000. All right, well, and it's the next day. We got this thing in late last night, so we've defrosted it in the shop. For some reason, the pellet stove quit shut down last night, but it stayed warm enough we were able to defrost it and get it warmed up to go. So Tegan's hooking up the controller to the winch, and then we're gonna get this thing hooked to the truck, and we're gonna try to get this thing backed off this trailer. There's a couple things that I'm noticing, like somebody put bolts through these tracks, probably trying to increase the traction like on a side slope or something.
What? They're off.
Sorry.
Fast like that. This thing slips, goes off. Again.
All right, well, here's the Marooka. This is an MST 1100. It's got a straight six Komatsu engine in it, diesel. Okay, so the problem we ran into is the lift pump on the side of the injection pump is bad or plugged, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do on that. The injection pump seems to be working just fine though. Yeah, throttle up, but the bed's working. Need to do some pressure cleaning into this thing. Unfortunately, it's the middle of winter. So, yeah, let's see if this winch is. Well, I think all right, so I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with this winch and get it going. Because wow, those are some bad hoses. All right, well, let's get this thing into the shop, figure out what to do with it, or should we play with it for a minute? I think we play with it for a minute. That's what we do. Let's see if we can't break it real quick.